Welcome, fellow Earth Guardians. Have you ever stopped to wonder just how crucial our ecosystems are to the survival of our planet? Every forest, every river, and every ocean plays a vital role in keeping Earth alive. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of ecosystem restoration and why it's our best shot at saving our beautiful planet. Ecosystem restoration, simply put, is the process of assisting the recovery of ecosystems that have been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. It's about giving nature a helping hand to regain its health and functionality. But why, you might ask, is this so critical right now? Well, our ecosystems are under threat like never before. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are just a few of the heavy hitters. These threats not only harm the environment, but also endanger human health, disrupt economies, and threaten our very survival. By restoring ecosystems, we can achieve multiple benefits. First off, it enhances biodiversity. More diverse ecosystems are not only more resilient, but also more productive. They can better withstand and recover from disasters like wildfires and hurricanes. Restoration also plays a crucial role in combating climate change. Forests, wetlands, and oceans act as carbon sinks, absorbing and storing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Restoring these areas means we can significantly boost our natural defenses against global warming. But how does this look in real life? Take the example of the Loess Plateau in China, where one of the world's largest restoration projects transformed an area nearly the size of Belgium from a barren wasteland to a lush oasis. This not only brought back lost species, but also improved local livelihoods dramatically. Or consider the rewilding efforts in Europe, where abandoned farmlands are being turned back into wild forests and meadows, reconnecting habitats and allowing wildlife to flourish once again. The beauty of ecosystem restoration is that anyone can be a part of it. Whether it's planting native flora in your garden, supporting local and national conservation projects, or advocating for policies that protect our natural world, every action counts. As we look towards a sustainable future, let's remember that restoring our ecosystems is not just about saving nature, it's about saving ourselves. It's a testament to the resilience of our planet and a reminder that it's never too late to make a difference. So let's roll up our sleeves, get our hands a little dirty, and work together to heal our planet. After all, a healthy Earth means a healthy future for all of us. Thank you for joining me today, and let's keep pushing for a greener, more vibrant world.